Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about uploading music from Suno to YouTube. Can you do it? Are there any downsides? Let's discuss. So here we are at suno.com, and one thing I can tell you from uploading my own music to YouTube is that at this point I have not encountered any issues with uploading the music. One of the nice things about using AI music is the idea that it is original content and you won't get any copyright strikes. However, I have heard that there is still a lot of gray area in this regard, and right now the legal implications of this are still being determined. But for the time being, there doesn't appear to be any issues. I've never had any issues personally with uploading my music to YouTube. And generally speaking, the whole concept behind AI generated music or generated content is the idea of being able to have original content. At the moment, it's not an issue. However, these types of things are continuously being dealt with, and it's hard to say where we're going to be here in a year from now or beyond. But as I said at this time, if you want to upload your music from Suno to YouTube, I personally have done it and I have not had any issues up until this point. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.